Naisip mo na ba kapag may mga biglaan na panganib, biglang ang dami mong mga bagay na kayang gawin? For example, may sunog, biglang nabubuhat mo yung mga iba't ibang bagay na mabibigat. Or di kaya kapag may biglaan na suntukan, wala ka parang nararamdaman. Paano nga po ito nangyayari? Well, in this video, we will talk about that and watch this video until the end in order for you to find out. So what's going on, Reaper? So welcome back to the 4th episode of Introduction in Psychology. My name is Death Nigel and I am a 3rd year psychology student. Now that we are done discussing the major parts of the brain, we will now talk about the nervous system. Ano nga ba ang nervous system? Well, ladies and gentlemen, the nervous system, ito yung mga nerves or mga kable na nakakonekta or nakakalat sa buong katawan natin, connecting our body to our brain. And our nervous system is divided into 2 major parts. Ano yung mga ito? The first one is the central nervous system. The second one naman is the peripheral nervous system. At ano mga ito? Ano-ano nga ba yung mga function nila? Isa-isayin natin. The first one is ang ating central nervous system, or in short, the CNS. Now, our CNS has 2 major parts. The first one is our brain and the second one is our spinal cord. Now, we all know that the brain is the one interpreting our sensory information, helps us on making decision, at syempre generating voluntary at involuntary movements. So, this was discussed all no our previous video. Now, ang ating spinal cord naman, it acts like a neural pathway from our body to our brain. So, the main reason na nakikipag-communicate ang ating brain sa ating body is because of our spinal cord. Kung wala yung spinal cord natin, there is no way our brain able to communicate to our body. Kaya main reason kapag merong mga tao na damage ang kanilang spinal cord is merong part sa kanilang body na hindi nagfa-function. Like for example, yung mga nasira yung spinal cord nila sa mga bandang bottom is di sila nakapaglakad na because na-damage na yung neural pathway para makapag-walk sila. Kasi yung ating mga paa, buong katawan natin, meron yan mga nerves connecting them to our brain para magamit natin sila. So that's our spinal cord and that's our CNS. The second one is ang ating peripheral nervous system, or in short, the PNS. Now, ang ating PNS naman, ito lang naman yung mga nerves na nakakalat sa ating buong katawan. The main reason that our body is able to communicate is our brain is yung PNS, sila yung nagdadala ng mga information to our CNS, our central nervous system, at ang ating CNS, sila ang magpapadala nun sa ating brain. So, that's how it works. Now, ang ating peripheral nervous system has subdivision, has 2 subdivision. At that is our autonomic at ang ating somatic. Isa-isayin natin sila kung ano yung mga ginagawa nila. Let's first talk about the somatic nervous system. So, ating somatic nervous system is the one responsible for our governing voluntary skeletal muscle movement. So, it is the one responsible to control things that you do on purpose. Like for example, walking, picking up a pen, raising your hand. Yan yung mga ginagawa ng somatic nervous system. The second one naman is yung ating autonomic nervous system. Now, ating autonomic nervous system naman is responsible on regulating involuntary visceral function. So, this one is responsible on controlling the things in your body that does it automatically without you thinking about them. Like for example, heart beating, breathing, and digestion. Now, under our autonomic nervous system is meron ulit siyang 2 subdivision, and that is our parasympathetic nervous system at sympathetic nervous system. What are their function? Isa-isayin natin ulit. The first one is your sympathetic nervous system. Now, your sympathetic nervous system is the one that mobilizes you and gives you energy when there's danger. So basically, that is your fight or flight. So, when danger occurs, your sympathetic nervous system will activate and triggers your adrenaline. So, your adrenaline is a hormone that's very responsive during stress or danger. So, the main reason you're able to carry something heavy when there's a fire, the main reason you do not feel anything when you're in a fight, because of your adrenaline triggered by your sympathetic nervous system. So, kapag nandyan yung adrenaline mo, nag-i-increase yung heartbeat mo, nagda-dilate yung pupils mo, yung amount of oxygen na pumapasok sa body mo is more than usual because of your adrenaline, because of your sympathetic nervous system. Yan yung survival instinct na katawan natin in order for you to survive, in order for you to be alive. So, that is your sympathetic nervous system. The second one naman is your parasympathetic nervous system. So this one is responsible on restoring equilibrium once the danger passes. So basically this is your rest and digest. So calms down your body once the danger passes. So bumabalik sa normal yung heartbeat mo, nagre-relax yung katawan mo. So that's parasympathetic, and that's your sympathetic nervous system under your autonomic nervous system. So para hindi kayo syempre malito sa mga parts niya, so gumawa ako dito ng parang table para syempre hindi kayo mahirapan. So yun nga, so under your nervous system, we have your central nervous system, your peripheral nervous system, and under your peripheral nervous system, you have your somatic and your autonomic nervous system, and then under your autonomic nervous system, you have your sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So that is your nervous system. That is the huge network connecting your body to your brain. So yun nga no, so that wraps up our video about nervous system. So medyo surface level lang ang ating pinag-aralan ngayong araw na ito, because again, this is just an introduction in psychology. So we will dive more into detail sa nervous system once we able to start the biological psychologies na series. So which is matagal pa siya kasi currently tinitake ko pa siya ngayon. So for now, introduction in psychology pa lang tayo. So we will able to discuss more mga surface level na psychology knowledge in this series, no. So if you like more psychology content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, That Nigel, and follow po my page, no, kasi meron din po akong Facebook page. So kindly go there, share nyo sa mga psychology niyo friend or mga friends nyo na mahilig sa psychology. So yun lamang po, and mabuhay ang psikolohiya. Rip!